I'm here today with one of my patients who came in for a follow-up, and the first thing that he told me was, whatever you did to me last time worked. And I said, well, what was it that we did for you last time? Because, you see a lot of patients. I didn't exactly remember, and he clarified it. So I want you to meet one of my patients, and he's going to discuss with us exactly what he had done and what he presented to my practice with. First of all, how old are you?
I'm 64 years old.
And when you presented to my office, do you remember about how long ago that was?
This was about 2.5, 3 months ago.
Yeah, so I'm going to tell you that it was in October, actually in October. And when you presented to this practice, what was the reason why you came here?
I was having erection problems.
Okay. And when you say you were having erection problems, can you tell us what you tried to do to help improve that before coming here?
I was trying testosterone creams.
Creams. Were you getting that from a doctor?
I was getting that from a doctor.
Okay.
I believe the percentage was very low. I was only taking 100, and I think you have mentioned to me that I should be taking 200.
Yes. Yes. The dose was not strong enough. Yeah. And that was a cream, right?
That was the cream.
And so that wasn't helping you. And did you ever try Viagra Cialis?
I have tried Cialis.
And did that help you?
That helped, but it was not. I had to take the pill in order to function.
Right. So you were noticing that, were you having any side effects, like headaches or anything when you took the pill?
No. I was not having no side effects.
But you noticed that even with taking the pill, did you find that your quality of your erection wasn't as good with the pill?
It was, it would take longer, and it will go down real fast. Also.
So the quality of the potency or strength of your erection was weaker.
Weaker.
Gotcha. So then you came here because you did some research and you found something online regarding something we do,
yes.
Right? And that was the P shot.
P shot.
Right. So you came here back in October, and we did one P shot and one shockwave session.
That is correct.
And we didn't see you back again after that.
This is my first time back.
Right. It so happened that I did recommend to get some good detailed blood work, which is why you're here today. But this is the first time that we're actually seeing each other since that procedure. Now, how soon after that procedure would you say you noticed improvements?
I will say within a week.
Within a week. And was it? Can you tell the audience about specifically, a little bit more detail, like what you noticed?
I noticed the erections were faster. It didn't take long, and I will last longer.
So now it's 2 months later, 2.5 months later. Are you still getting the same benefits?
Yes, I am.
Okay, good. So I just want to repeat this so the audience is clear that this gentleman is a 64-year-old male. He does have some underlying health issues that I will discuss with him today. So he's not in the best shape. He's not overall, what I would say the best cardiovascular health, right?
Okay.
And he does take a medication, right?
Yes,
a statin, right?
Yes.
A heart medication, cholesterol lowering drug. And he does have a baseline lower testosterone level as well. Came here with, erectile dysfunction issues and really wanting to try to improve that. So we went ahead and we just worked with his budget, which was pretty much a one-shot deal, and we did a Gainswave session or a shockwave session with that. And today, I'm so happy to be able to video this and report to the audience, as well as I'm so happy that the patient is doing so much better and remarkable, because we always see these patients who come to us with these concerns, and people are somewhat skeptical about the results, as anybody would be. You're gonna pay for some procedure, and would it and could it help? And of course, there's never a guarantee with the procedure. And I always tell patients that there's never a guarantee. Like, how can I guarantee this? But I do deliver a good product. By the way, when you did have the procedure, was there any pain associated with the procedure?
Not at all.
Okay, good. Was it professional? Was it professionally done?
Very professional.
Good. Any complaints about anything related to the procedure, the staff, anything that you know?
Not at all.
Okay, great. All right. Well, thank you very much. I really appreciate you sharing that with us, and I hope to follow up with some more better progress. Thank you.